GAC Toyota factory customized upgrade. 9.2-inch all electronic rearview mirror. Ultra wide angle, making driving safer. Non-destructive installation. Split design. Unobstructed view. Dedicated wiring harness. Compatible with original factory protocol. Retaining original vehicle function. Replace the original rearview mirror to retain its original function and achieve seamless connection. 9.2-inch car-grade IPS screen. Full-screen touch control. LVDS digital transmission for clearer and smoother images. Ultra-wide 5x field of view. 108p high-definition recording before and after. Built-in EMMC and external TF car dual storage mode. Lossless video recording. The physical anti-glare function can be manually turned on or off. Multi-scene automatic recognition. Equipped with AI photo-sensitive chip, it automatically recognizes the strength of light. The streaming electronic rearview mirror developed by GAC Toyota's original customized Fuchuan technology. Domestic debut. Streaming electronic rearview mirror with both front and rear recording certified according to GB15084 regulations. Vision. No blind spots from now. 1.